Hi everyone, Rempah Ratus Kitchen welcomes you to another culinary episode. In today's episode, I'll share with you a Chinese stir-fry recipe. Yes, it is chicken stir-fried with Shimeji mushrooms. It's quick, it's easy, and it has an amazing taste. What else do you need? I've listed the ingredients in the description box below, so shall we head over to my kitchen?
100 grams of boneless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. 65 grams Shimeji mushrooms. These mushrooms grow on wood and are native to East Asia and Northern Europe. As such, they are much used in Japanese cooking. They have a delicate nutty flavor and a chewy texture. 3 stalks chives. 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour that I am going to mix with 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon minced ginger. Let's start with frying the ginger in 1.5 tablespoons of oil on a low flame. This will enable the oil to become infused with the fragrance and flavor of ginger. The chicken goes in now. Let's now sear the chicken. I've increased the flame to high, but not too high because I don't want to ruin my non-stick wok. But it's hot enough for what I want, and that is a bit of a charred appearance to the chicken that I'm now searing. Now turning the chicken pieces over to sear the other side. It's been 2 minutes. Can you see the char on the chicken? The Shimeji mushrooms go in now. Now let's stir these ingredients together. I've got more to tell you about these mushrooms. They are low in fat and high in fiber. They are also bitter when raw, so don't go making a salad with them. They remind me of pin noodles. Time for the oyster sauce now. And the soy sauce. Now let's give them a quick stir before the corn flour makes its entrance. And here it is, the corn flour slurry, making its appearance felt all around the ingredients. I'm incorporating the corn flour slurry with the rest of the ingredients, thereby combining a nutty flavor with an umami and briny one. And now for an explosion of color, the verdant chives. Apparently, chives prevent cancer and osteoporosis. It also improves memory. What a pity I don't have more chives. A little extra seasoning with some ground white pepper. So now you have a blend of nutty, umami, briny and peppery flavors. That's quite enough stir frying. Let's turn the stove off now. Chicken stir fried with Shimeji mushrooms. Bathed in Asian sauces and cornflour slurry, this luscious chicken and mushroom dish is just amazing. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.